If you don't like spicy food but still want to impress your friends, then buckle up. Because I just ate my way through 5 countries, and one bite almost ended me. All right, foodies, let's talk about the street foods I've ever put in my mouth. First stop, Thailand. Ever tried dancing shrimp salad? Oh yeah, it's alive, it's tangy, and it's basically a rave in your mouth. Next, India's famous pani puri. But these weren't ordinary. These bad boys were loaded with ghost pepper chutney. One bite, and I was sweating like it was monsoon season. Then Japan, squid on a stick. But wait, this squid was still wiggling. Talk about fresh seafood. On to Mexico, chapulines, crispy, spicy grasshoppers, crunchy like chips but with legs. And finally, Korea, the infamous fire noodles. Let's just say my tongue needed a spa day after that one. Every bite came with a story, a kick, and a little regret. But hey, isn't that what travel's all about? Which one would you try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more spicy adventures and foodie fun.